Hello friends, I am Arvind. In this video, I am going to explain about the concept of environment, sustainable development and EIA, environmental impact assessment. So, these are three concepts which I am going to explain today. Right. So, environment means whatever the nature resources, environmental resources like water, forest, minerals, air, each and everything which are all our surroundings, right? The environment is the most important factor our human life. We need to be protect, we need to take care of it, right? So each and every aspect which are included, each and everything is dependent on environment. Each and every human being, each and every living beings on the earth, it's dependent on environment. It's our ecosystem. It's a dependent each and everything. So we have to protect the environment in this regard. And coming to the sustainable development, before coming to sustainable development, we had a pollution. We are making pollution on our earth, our environment with respect to air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, noise pollution. Each and every aspect we are making pollution. Right? These are all impact negative in future generations. Right? So our nature will be devastated. Our natural resources will be degraded. This will be leads to many problems, many environmental problems, many natural issues will be exist in future. In this regard, in 1987, Brundtland Commission came to know sustainable development motive. Our common future. Sustainable development means meeting the present needs without compromising the future generations. Sustainable development means meeting the present needs without compromising the ability of future generations. That is what for sustainable development. Right. So we have to be eco-friendly each and every aspect without making pollution. Of course, we need to be develop economic aspect. We need to be economic development, but we need to be take care of one side environment also. Right. We have to be eco-friendly each and every aspect. And coming to India, there was a environmental impact assessment. The environmental impact assessment means what? Which will be steady, which will be give guidelines, whatever the projects, industrial projects, natural, whatever the industrial projects, whatever the national highways, whatever the projects, whatever the chemical factories which are going to develop in this regard, the factories, whatever the projects which need to be take permission with the environmental impact assessment. The environmental impact assessment has to be give guidelines. With the following the environmental impact guidelines, we need to be follow or we need to be develop our economy. So in this regard, already in our India, there is a very linear, means very least guidelines which are following. And recently, there was a new draft environmental impact assessment. There was a new draft came last month. In that, all whatever the environmental impact assessment draft means, without the people don't have right to ask if there is environmental issues, there is environmental problems, whatever the things, whatever the economic development, strategic view related any projects which can be developed without taking any environmental impact assessment guidelines and permissions and all. Without taking any permissions, they can develop their industrial projects, they can develop their heavy industrial, heavy whatever the factories, they can develop itself. In this regard, which will be leads to many environmental issues, many natural issues. Recently we had LG polymers gas leak, there are number of people are died. So these are all natural causes which are all due to the only, irrespective of whatever the things which are not taking with the guidelines of EIA, right. So in this regard, if we are not taking care about our earth, our nature, our environment, whatever the environment we are not able to take care, so in future we will be face many troubles, we cannot imagine. So there will be many troubles in future. So this is what I am going to discuss with you. Thank you, one and all.